Willie, come here, buddy. Come here, Willie. There's my big guy. Can you sit? Good boy. Willie, I'm very thirsty. Can you get me a beverage? Yeah, give me a beverage, Willie. Give me a beverage. Wait, bring it here. Where are you going with that beverage? Bring it here. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Willie. Thank you. Can you sit? Can you say thank you to Kelsey and Clay for the refrigerator? Good boy. Yes, we're very, very grateful. Here it is, right here. It's right there. We're very, very thankful. That is very nice of you. Very sweet. Had a lot of people saying, "What? Somebody gave you a refrigerator?" They can't believe it. So, once again, thank you. And thank you for all the other items as well. All the kitchen utensils and the bathroom stuff. Everything even matches. So thank you.